Data types. A number of people were asked which political party they supported and what their annual income was. Part 1. Consider the question about the political party. Describe the type of data obtained. The data obtained about the political parties supported by those asked is categorical data, so basically word data, because each political party is a category. It is also nominal data, as there is no idea of order, so the data cannot be put into an order. The opposite of nominal data is ordinal data. Ordinal data can be ordered. For example, days of the week, months of the year, test grades, A, B, C, D, etc. Part 2. Is the data resulting from the question about annual income categorical or numeric? So is it word data or number data? Describe the data type more accurately. The data obtained about annual income is numeric. For example, €22,000 or €37,500. This data is discrete because even though a person's income may be 31,435.67, it cannot be 31,435.67915 ... and so on. So discrete data must take a certain value. The opposite of discrete data is continuous data. Data that can take any value, for example, height, weight, time, length, mass, distance, etc. Part 3. Consider together the two facts asked of each person. Give a full description of the type of data under consideration. Part 3. If we take the two facts together for each person, i.e., record them in the form political party, annual income, then the data is paired. The first element is categorical, the political party, and the second is discrete, the annual income. So a full description of the data would be categorical and discrete paired data.